that we are home, quarantined, in this lockdown period, let's look after jewelry that is lying in our cupboards. Gold jewelry, a favorite amongst the Indian women. Lots of pieces are lying there, just kept there, not worn because we are at home. So now's the time to just remove them and clean them up and bring back the shine. So this is a bracelet that I have here, and I'm going to use some cleaning agents to get it sparkling new again. So what do we have here? Plain water, in which I will add some soap water, soap solution. Lather it like this. Warm water. And gin. Gin is a good cleaning agent for gold. This will help remove the impurities of gold. So take the bracelet, dip it there, and leave it there for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove it out. Take the brush and remove all the dirt and impurities that are there on the bracelet. Then dip it in the soap solution. Clean nicely. Again, remove anything that's there stuck on it. This is ideal for plain gold jewelry. Don't use gemstones or enamel for this. And next, dip it in plain water. Change the water if need be so that the gin and the soap is out of it. Then take a soft absorbent napkin like this. Place your bracelet. Pat it dry. Let it absorb all the moisture from your item. And there, my bracelet is shiny new again, ready to wear at home.